In this video, we're going to discuss Spanish stem-changing verbs, specifically the E to IE stem-changing verbs. Now, Spanish verbs have two parts. They have the stem and the ending. Generally, the ending is the only part that changes. Like if we were talking about hablar, right? Hablar. To say I speak, we would change the AR to O, so hablo. So the ending changes, but the stem does not generally. However, in stem-changing verbs, there is a spell change in the stem. Now, the endings of the Spanish verbs and stem-changing verbs, they change normally. So for an AR verb, it's still going to be O for yo, as for two, a for L and A, a singular third person, amos, and an. For ER verbs, it's still going to be O, es, a, amos, and N. And for IR verbs, it's still going to be O, es, a, emos, N. So the endings change just like normal. So continuing with pensar, which means to think, I'm going to show you how to conjugate an E to IE stem-changing verb. Again, the endings change like normal. So in the yo form, it would be yo pienso. See, just the E changes, E to IE. Tú piensas. Él en ella piensa. Nosotros pensamos. And ellos, ellas, ustedes is piensan. Okay? Couple things. Notice that the endings all change normal. O, asa, amos, an. And that there is no stem change in the nosotros form, and that's going to be for all stem changing verbs. There's never a spell change in the nosotros form. Empezar is another example of an E to IE stem changing verb. So in the yo form would be yo empiezo, tú empiezas, él, ella, usted empieza, nosotros empezamos, and ellos, ellas, ustedes empiezan. Again, the endings are the same, just like any other AR verb, o, asa, amos, an, and that the only spell change is here, no spell change again in the nosotros form. So here are some common E to IE stem changing verbs. It's important that you simply memorize these verbs. Okay? No rhyme to reason to which ones have an E to IE stem change. Once you memorize them though and get familiar with it, it's going to be very easy because they all conjugate the same way. You can always watch this and other videos on my website, profedenim.com, or you can contact me on Twitter at srdenim, or simply comment below.